Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Finally, Spotify 2025 Wrapped is out. So let's see what's on my 2025 Wrapped, and I'm going to also be showing you guys where you can find it. Just go to the homepage and it's going to be right there. If it's not there, maybe it's not out for you guys yet, or I have no idea why it's not out. But it's going to be right here and you're just going to press it. It's time for your 2025 Wrapped. We can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. Let's press this button. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Sorry. We're ready for you, Nina. Come on down. Okay, swipe. We listen. Oh, you listened. We counted. Okay. Do I swipe? Okay, I swipe again. Okay. 24,000 minutes. Okay, that's not bad. Tastes like yours can't be defined, but let's try anyways. See, I listened to all of these genres. Look, 265 genres, guys. Let's scroll again. Okay. Bubblegum pop, musicals, classic rock, and pop rap. Cool, okay. Feel like a cool person. Age is just a number, so don't take this personally. Okay. What? 70? Okay, that's cool. That's sick. You listen to 1,000 songs, but can you guess your number one? I still think it's just Taylor Swift or Sabrina Carpenter. Oh my god. Oh, actually, it's either Silver Springs or Manchild, or maybe The Prophecy. Wow, this is sad. Let's do this. I got it! Oh my god! Wow, that's sad. Okay. My top song is not by Taylor Swift this year. I listened to this 50 times. Oh my god, sorry. I'm not excited, but I love Taylor Swift, but she's always been my number one song every year. Let's scroll. Okay, she is still number 2, so. Your top songs, okay. Playlist. You listened to 7 albums this year. Oop, I'm so sorry. Long Live the Album. Obviously, Taylor Swift. Obviously. Oh, Victorious. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Okay, let's scroll down. You streamed, okay, a podcast. Obviously. I listened to this in my sleep, so. Okay. What else? Ooh, okay. Listen to 800 artists this year, and these 5 were extra special. Sabrina, Ariana, Gracie, Taylor Swift, and okay, all the pop girls. But who claimed the top spot? I'm scared. Start your race. Oh. Okay. Okay. It's still Taylor Swift in the lead. Sorry. Oh, see, she is still my number one artist. Obviously, Sabrina Carpenter, second bet. And now a word from one of your favorites. Hi. Okay, I'm going to skip through that because I'm not going to. Okay. All of your listening made you part. Which club do you belong to? Ooh. I don't know. Which club? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, do I have to? Oh, okay. I'm supposed to scroll. Sad girl? Oh, no. Soft Hearts Club. Your club believes that vulnerability is the key to great music. You're a rural broadcaster. You listen to podcasts more than others, keeping club conversation alive. You're in great company. Okay, 34%. Is that it? Oh. Well, what? One more thing. What's that? We pulled some of your files just in case. Oh, there's more like reports here. Like for days, I guessed. Why did I say I guessed? Rap party. Now challenge your friends to a real-time listening battle. Oh, that's it. That is my 2025 Spotify Wrap. That's how you can get yours. Again, it's going to be on your homepage here. If you go to the Wrap page as well, you'll able to see it. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know your top artist this year in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.